Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to show the discount percentage on Shopify without using any applications, and it's very easy. That's exactly what I'm about to show you in this video. Without any more talking, let's jump to it. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously access Shopify dashboard. If you're already in Shopify dashboard, make sure to click on sales channel and click on online store so we can access the section where we can edit the theme. The next thing you're going to do is, which is the most important step, is make sure you duplicate the theme. Simply click on the three dots beside edit theme and duplicate the theme. So every changes you do or the customizations on my videos or any videos, you do them on the duplicated theme. And if you like the changes, you simply click on publish. If you don't, then you still have the previous version intact. In my case, I already duplicated the theme, as you can see. So the next thing I'm going to do is click on the three dots for the duplicated theme and click on edit code. And once it opens up the code editor, the next thing we're going to do, we need to find a specific snippet. And there is a folder here called snippets, as you can see, but it can be confusing to find it here. Just click on the search bar at the top of the page here, then simply type in product-cart-gallery, just like you see, and you will see one file in here called product-gallery-cart-gallery.liquid, as you can see, and simply click on it. And by the way, if you cannot find this specific file on your team, it means you are using a different team. Just hold on a second, I will show you how to do that on the other teams, like down in the other previous version. Now the next thing we're going to do is we need to find a specific code in this page. However, it can be confusing, I know, no worries, I already see it because I know what I'm going to look for it is this thing right here. But instead of finding it in the code, can be confusing, as I said, simply scroll down the description box, you will see a link, my website, click on it and it will take you to this page, and you need to find this specific code right here. So simply copy this code, just like you see, get back, click on the code, then simply, if you are using Windows, click on Control F, I'm on Mac, click on Command F, and it will show me this prompt right here so I can find specific code, then paste in the code you need to copy, and it will be highlighted in here. After that, get back to my website and copy the second code, this one below it in here. Use the icon right here to copy the whole code, get back and select the whole highlighted line and simply delete and paste in the new one. Now, if I click on save, let me preview the theme now, which is the one I did demonstration on, and scroll down a bit, and here it is, as you can see. Each card has the exact percentage calculated based on the discount, as you can see. However, the product page doesn't have that, as you can see, because lately Horizon team, many of the other teams, they removed the sale badge. How to add it? That's very easy. Simply get back again to this page and click this time on edit theme. Click on this edit theme and it will open up the theme editor. Now we need to navigate to the product page. Click on home page at the top of the page, click on products and select the product template you are using for your products. Let me switch to another product that has the discount. I think this one. Yeah, it does. Now simply move the mouse cursor over the price, or actually just do it in here, it's simpler. On the left of the screen, you should see template, as you can see, and product information. Click on the arrow to be expanded, then simply navigate where it says here the price, or there is no actually. Let me click on the header. Here it is. So make sure to expand the header, then you will see product title and price. Move the mouse cursor slightly below the price and you will see a plus button. Click on it and search for custom liquid, this one right here. Click on it and it will show you this section where you can paste in some code. Now simply get back to my website and scroll down a little bit and you will see this one that says block. Copy this code, get back in here, paste it, click on save, and ta-da, here it is. It will show the badge and it will header the background, the button colors, and it will show the percentage based on the discount. Now for the previous themes, it's the exact same steps. However, you have to search for different things, which is this one right here. You have to find this snippet, search for this one, replace it 2 times. There is 2 copies of this code on this file. Replace them 2 times using this code. For the price on the product, go to snippet price.liquid, find this one again, but only this time you will only replace it with this code 1 time. And you should have the result just like this. Let me reload the page, just like this, as you can see, or on the home page, you should see it on the cart in here. And that's how you show the discount percentage on Shopify by using any theme you're using, completely free and very easy. If you have any questions or you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.